Will the crypto market rise in future?
Cryptocurrency is having a terrible week, and terrible may even sound optimistic to many. Some are calling it the great crypto crash.
Is this the Lehman moment for crypto? That's the question some in the industry are now asking, as leading cryptocurrency exchange FTX faces bankruptcy after failing to secure a rescue from its rival Binance.
It's the oldest saying in the book, what goes up must come down. And in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, that's proving to be a brutal truth. Crypto's market value has halved since its peak late last year, hemorrhaging an eye-watering $2.2 trillion.
The reality is you have to look for the utility or the value of any investment that you make. You have to say, why are people buying Bitcoin?
Now, some experts are calling the crash of the crypto exchange FTX the beginning of a kind of a Lehman financial crisis moment of 2008 for digital assets globally, which is over $1 trillion market.
Well, in short, cryptocurrency prices may fall even further. They soared to a record high of nearly $69,000 in November, but are now below $50,000, down nearly 30% from the peak. But don't lose hope, because various financial experts are making various claims, ranging from the price of cryptocurrency rising to the price of cryptocurrency falling. We cannot believe in any single prediction, because one of the fundamental issues with many cryptocurrency price predictions is that they lack a solid analytical support to back up their assertions. So, let's answer another question. Why is the crypto market down anyway? Well, the value of cryptocurrencies has plunged dramatically in recent weeks and months, and the bottom appears to be lower than anyone anticipated. Most recently, the US-based crypto exchange Binance announced plans to purchase rival exchange FTX trading, only to withdraw 24 hours later, sending shockwaves across the investment world, with worried investors withdrawing their crypto cash and leading the firm to collapse. These moves predictably wreaked havoc in the Bitcoin markets. Bitcoin prices decreased by 23% in 7 days to $15,978. It had been about $20,000 earlier that week. Ethereum, the second big cryptocurrency, has dropped 24% in 7 days. In fact, the closer the coins link to Bankman-Fried, the harder it plummeted, with Solana, a billionaire's favorite, plunging 60% in a week, while FTX native currency, FTT, plunged by more than 90%. Numerous other factors also play a role in the decline or stagnation of the cryptocurrency market. They are the war in Ukraine, inflationary fears,
US stocks plunged again Monday as investors worry about record high inflation and rising interest rates. The Dow Jones lost nearly 900 points, the Nasdaq finished down over 530 points, and the S&P 500 tumbled 151 points.
higher interest rates, which will make it more expensive for business to borrow money. China's continued crackdown on crypto is playing a part too. And there's been speculation that crypto operations may come to a halt in Russia.
Why does China hate crypto? Since 2013, China has banned crypto 18 times and counting. They banned trading, they banned mining, they banned ICOs. But no matter how hard their government tries, they just can't seem to get rid of crypto from within their borders.
Russia will sooner or later legalize cryptocurrencies as a means of payment, the latest country to show there is a possibility. While Russian Industry and Trade Minister, he said, suggesting that the government and central bank may be moving closer to settling their differences.
In addition to this, there has been sudden and severe sell-offs of major cryptocurrencies.
Don't have the best news here, guys. Look at this. This is only over the last 24 hours. We have Bitcoin down 8%, Ethereum down almost 10%.
But after all this bad news, there's actually few good news related to the crypto market. The first one being that, according to Grand View Research, the market for crypto ATMs would grow significantly by 2030. The research platform predicted that the ATM market will rise by 60%. However, due to macroeconomic consideration, the cryptocurrency market is still dormant. So, what is crypto ATM? Using a bank credit card or cash, you can purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies using a cryptocurrency ATM. They can differ visually from one another. Some have the appearance of the standard ATM, while others are integrated into stands or vaults. The second one being, Ethereum successfully executed its merge to proof of stake on September 15th, 2022. The completion of the merge brought many positive benefits to Ethereum. It replaced proof of work miners with energy efficient proof of stake validators and reduced Ethereum's electricity usage by an estimated 95.1%. For a simple explanation of proof of stake concept, I would recommend you to watch the video made by Johnny Harris, which is very easy to understand. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the short and informative video. And to further understand our crypto market, I have linked few articles below. Go check them out. Until then, goodbye.